Okay, so this height will be 4 feet. Okay, the variable depth, sometimes it can be more or less, because soil test is not done by us, so we didn't make the specific particular thickness, particular depth of it. And so the total length will be like of the for the foundation height will be 4 feet. Like if this is 1 feet, then 4 feet and 5 feet, 5.5 feet, or here 1 feet, which can be like 6 feet, 6 or 7 feet. Like we have to calculate from here to here, from the ground level to underground level here. So total depth of the foundation. So this is the ground level, which will be 1.5 fix height as per floor height. The floor height is given 1.6 feet up. Okay, uh, so everything has been seen, I think. Everything is, we have talked about, explained about everything. So thanks for watching our videos, and hope you like the videos, and make subscribe our channel and like the videos. And if you want to know about anything, please comment us below. We'll try to reply you in a short time. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.